Hi friends, in today's video we're going to be tackling a different kind of problem than we normally do. I was at the grocery store today, got my hot dog and drink from Costco, and I couldn't take a drink of my soda. So we're going to solve that problem today by building a mask that has the ability to put a straw in, and we're going to do so by making use of these briefs. Now you don't have to use new briefs, you can use used briefs, but I'll leave that up to your discretion if that's something you're comfortable with. Excellent. That's going to work out perfectly. Now, what we're going to want to do is take this old mask here, and we're going to remove these straps. We're going to reuse those on our new mask. Okay. All right. Now we just need to put a finished edge on this along here, another finished edge here, and then sew these on there and there, and our mask will be ready. Okay. That's all pinned. We're ready to sew.